I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at you.
Wagwan people, me know say we all did that wait for one prank from long time. Right now, guys, me sure know say now is the right time. And right now, I'm just gonna get right into the prank. You know which prank me I gotta do because I'm sitting at the title, right? So me even I gotta explain what really I gotta go on. Me just know say the prank here I gotta lift. You see me? So right now, me need you guys to go over and subscribe to Kenny's Legendary. You see me? The link is in the description. You see me? And also pinned in the comment section. Make sure you go subscribe to our channel and like up our video. You see me? You don't know. I the troublemaker God. And before me even start the video, I don't know how the thing go. I'm gonna make sure you like up the video. You see me? You see me? So right now, you don't know. It's the troublemaker God. So right now, I have to call Kenisha because she I go the prank, you see me? She did not look to me call her from a long time. I don't know what time now. I don't know. It's 21:36, that is 9:36 Jamaica time. So right now me will call her. She know what the prank is about and thing. Me leave her, I will explain what this prank is about because me don't want to predict what really like a fall and want it just happen like that. You see me? So right now I just call Kenisha and make you see what really like go on because I don't know say a prank can little or a prank can normal in a brother. Alright, so I'm just call her. Make sure you say the phone the loudspeaker. You see me? You don't watch my phone. I need a new phone, you see me? Hello? Hello? Yo, Flo can't go on with a bag of things. Flow may I use. I know. I mean, I normally use Flow, but Flow may I use now. Before they will ring. Alright.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you now. Alright, ready for the prank? Huh?
You ready?
Yeah, man. I'm always ready. Born ready. You see me?
Wait, me I go call them off of my number. So,
No, you can't call them off of your number.
why?
Remember how the prank go? You have to pretend like you're there at my place.
You left the phone.
I left my phone, so I got a link one way, isn't it? So you ask them, tell them say you're ready. Which part CJ there because CJ say him got link Alan, you see me? He come off him
Do
yard.
you know me? Does he know me?
No, he don't know you. None of them don't know you.
Okay.
So the first person we are gonna try this with Alan. So you tell him say you're ready to go man and me gone here.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording right now.
Okay. Let's go.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, my mic on the palm mute. Don't call me name. Just don't call like you talk to me, yeah?
Okay, I know. I understand.
Alright, so Alan is the first person. Ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, nothing go guys. Alright, so just I'll put the call upon conference call, is me. Just I'll put the call upon conference call. Which part of that number? Alright, so I'm calling Alan.
come from planet Earth?
I'm CJ's girlfriend.
I know.
I'm currently at his house right now, and he left his cell phone. So he told me he was coming to see you're his cousin, right?
Yeah.
He told me that he was coming to see you, and he left his cell phone, so I can't call him. I was just wondering if he's there because I'm kind of getting scared.
You're kind of getting scared?
Yes, I'm just wondering if he's with you. Is he with you, or is he there right now?
Yes, he's with. No, he's not with me at all. On the road.
He's on the road? Where is he, though?
Huh?
I've been trying to get a hold of him, but I can't because I have his cell phone with me. And
Alan, why you do that?
you're the only person in the phone I know.
Oh, yes?
I've ever spoken to. So.
Okay. I understand, man.
So he was at your place earlier?
No, sir. In the funny phone.
What?
No, in the my place. In there on the phone, I listen to your conversation.
You know what's up, prank?
That's not possible.
Yes, it's possible. It's possible. May I tell you? I know TJ.
You obvious, what is this? He told me he was coming to your place.
Listen to me. I know CJ. CJ's on the phone listening to you.
Is he a hacker or something? Because that's the only way he's not here. He told me he's coming to your place.
Oh, man, nothing like that, man. Which one are you working on?
S.H.A.R.E.
What?
Which one are the house you're at?
Is there different houses?
No,
I'm here by myself.
Just tell me which house you're at. Which color you was painted?
It's dark outside. I just arrived.
You just arrived?
Yes.
I thought it was in the house and you saw the phone in the house.
I am in the house. I'm not outside.
So which color inside of the house painting?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You.
Mardo? Is this Mardo?
Yeah, but what about that now?
Is this Mardo?
Yo.
I'm CJ's girlfriend, and he left his phone here and said he's gonna check some Mardo, so I'm just wondering if he's there because he left his cell phone here. I'm at his house. Is he there right now? Because I'm getting really scared.
I don't understand you.
Are you hearing me properly? Hello?
Hello.
Are you hearing me properly?
Yeah.
I said I'm CJ's girlfriend, and I'm at CJ's house, and he left his phone, and he said he's going to check Mardo, something like that. And
Yeah.
I'm here alone, and I'm just wondering if he's there, if you could tell him to come, because
Yeah.
he's getting really scared.
Why?
Because I'm alone, and it's dark.
Why ish? Huh?
It's dark, and I'm getting scared, and could you just tell him to come home? Because I just got here, I'm new to the neighborhood, and I'm really scared. Is he there?
I'm not sure where is he.
But he told me he's coming to see you.
In his room. I go.
He left his cell phone with me.
With who?
He left his cell phone with me.
Man.
With you?
Yes, he left it with me. So I'm asking if he's there.
The man.
Huh?
Man, you are
I'm not sure.
Raw born idiot.
Yo.
You're not sure if he's there? That means he said he was going to see his cousin Alan, then he's coming to see you. I called Alan, and Alan says he's not there, so I'm wondering if he's there with you. Hello?
Man, dumb.
Hello?
Man,
Is
dumb.
he there? Can I talk to him?
No?
Is he there?
Yo.
Mark?
Why you do that?
Yeah.
Why you do? Why you do?
Why didn't you answer me? Is he there?
Yeah. No. No, why?
Man, no, none of me cheated that because
Because you're not talking to me. I'm scared. Like, I don't want to be here alone.
Why are you scared? Scared of
Because
what?
it's dark and I just arrived. I don't know anyone here but CJ.
I'm not sure. Where are you?
I'm at his place. He left me at his place with his cell phone. So he's not there?
Okay. I don't know.
So do you have any idea where else he could be?
him name. Y'all tell him say me save him on my phone as Wiggy.
We?
Wiggy.
Okay.
Wiggy.
Okay. Wait.
So you ask him if he name Wiggy or something like that. You understand?
Yeah.
Cause he's saving on my phone as Wiggy. Alright, ready?
Yeah, ready. Let's go.
Alright. Wiggy, you're getting prank. What? 1, 2, 3.
Hello? Hello? Am I speaking with Wiggy or Wiggy or something like that?
Oh, but that would say voice sound good, but I know it's a Bobajoe number.
Yes, it's his phone. I'm at his place and he left his cell phone with me. I'm his girlfriend. He told me that he's coming to see some Wiggy or something like that, and I have his phone, so I'm wondering if he's there with you or what. Tell him to come home because I'm really scared.
You know that one now?
No, he left his phone with me and said he's coming to some Wiggy. He's gonna check his friend Wiggy or Ouija. So you're the only contact in his phone saved as that, so I called you. Is he there?
No.
He's not there?
No.
Oh my god. Do you have any idea where he could be? Because I'm home alone and I'm scared.
First, I heard this quarantine room. I come back one road. But when I come one road. So you couldn't go nowhere. It's possible to tell us how better you have.
So he lied? Why would he lie though?
I don't know.
But I'm scared and he left me at his place and he left his phone, so I'm unable to call him to see where he is.
Which phone is it?
The one that I'm calling you on, this one.
Yeah, my phone. Call me that number.
I've been trying that. It's straight voicemail.
I don't know if you get to him. I don't know anything.
Oh, he's in big trouble. If he's not there, I want to know where he is. Thank you, though. What's your name? V.I.D.E or V.I.D.E?
Wiggy didn't call me.
Okay, thank you, V.I.D.E.
Man, what's up, Wiggy didn't call me.
Okay, thank you.
We
Thank you
get
so much.
prank.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yo. Ken.
Yeah. He's not loyal.
None of them now pick up for me.
I don't know where he at, man. Like, the
Alright.
rest of them said it was a prank, but he was like, no, he's not here. He doesn't normally come back out.
He no feel say him no feel say a prank.
Yeah, I know.
So guys, you don't know, go and subscribe to Kenish Legendary. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comment section. You see me? Kenisha, big up who you are, big up. Alkaline. Big up. She want big up Alkaline first and foremost.
Yes, that's my name. Pick up Alkaline and that of the light. And thank you for featuring DJ Bobajoe. Don't forget to turn on his post notifications so you can receive alerts every time that he uploads a new video.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You see me? Thanks again for this epic prank again. Kenish. Kenisha.
Okay.
Little bit. So you know, guys, this prank was epic. I know you guys all enjoyed it. As y'all know, none of my friends picked up for me. None of them say I was at their place or I was there recently. So you must know of the things that you must know. So I think I'm just gonna sign out. But before I sign out, you guys, I'm just gonna play the outro and you guys just go, you know what? You see me? And make sure say you don't know it's a showmaker. God signing out. Peace.